So today we will see the query function in Google Sheet. So basically a query function is a powerful tool that let you retrieve, filter, sort and manipulate data using a SQL-like language. So let's get started. So here we have a data tab. So we need to filter out some data and uh, we need data, filter data here. So we will use the query. So here we will select the query. You see here we need to give the range. So we will select from A to H. Then initially I will tell you how to fetch all data. So select a star. When you do it, click on enter. You will see the all data. If you have to filter out the data, you need to put a where condition. Where, like C column, I need departure city should be a Delhi. Okay, so when I select Delhi, click on enter, you can see Delhi filter data is there. So queries are very important in Google Sheet. Thank you.